Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will be unboxing exclusive nail couture. I just got this on the mail. I'm so excited. I waited like maybe 4 weeks for this. I'm not it's because of the COVID. I did talk to customer service like 3 or 4 times, and they were really nice, really respectful. I really enjoyed how they handle the situation. Unbox this. If you like this video, please thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'm in Instagram as well as LaViaEsBella1. Okay. The box had this right here, but I don't. Maybe it was the handling. So I'm see. Okay, to double take. Oh, cute. So I ordered this. It's like a table cover. So it's pink. There's like a small stain here, but that's okay. Has its logo right here. It's pretty cute. The armrest. There's some. It looks like pen stains. I don't know if you can see it. They're blue right here. It wasn't this. It didn't look like it was used or anything. It's a material inside. It has this pink stuff. What is this? Because this is small. I thought this was bigger. I think this is monomer. Sorry. It's really sealed. But two of the, I think they were $14.99. It was like, one is the baby kit and the other one is the pink magic trial kit. It's 4 ounces, and this will be the magic pink monomer. It's 4 ounces. Eyes. It's completely sealed. Okay, and this is the other monomer, the baby kit. The same. Because of the COVID, they are not accepting any returns. This one is really difficult. Oh wow. It's so sealed that I cannot even open. They help me with this. Okay. Oh, and I have the Wonder Gel. Look how cute. This Wonder right here. The pink and the packaging is really cute. This is the Eternal Beige, because all the kits came with trials of their polymers. This one is kind of dusty in the outside. You cannot tell really. Let me see if this one is sealed. That's what. No, well, it has this cover right here, but it's not completely sealed. You see kind of like some of the polymer there on my finger right here. Seems like a color. This one is Eternal Beige. Thank you. And this one is I think it's the baby one. It says monomer, the best in the world. And it's also sealed. Oh yeah, luxury powder. I think this one says a luxury powder. This one is the Arab Gold Princess, I believe, because the color looks like that. I'm just opening it right now. And it has a plastic cover. It just has a lot of shine on it, like glittery. This one is Princess Pink. But really trial. This one didn't open the plastic cap that has to protect. This one is really not open. You know, like by accident with all the movement while it was shipping. Glass pink. Same thing. This one just has a little bit of acrylic around the seal. That's it. It's kind of dusty outside, but I think it was silver. Grand Champion. This one has a plastic lid here. Another Eternal Beige, because every kit has Eternal Beige. Seal as well, and this one is Chrome White. I think that was the only one. The other Eternal Beige was the only one that was kind of like, kind of open by itself when it was shipping. This is one of the buffers, 100, 180 buffer. I think I ordered 2 of these. Yeah. This is the other one. And then I also ordered the 8080 one. They're really like spongy. I also ordered the straight edge nail clipper. It's really cute. And this will be the apron. So cute. It was longer, but I think it will work fine. And this is the apron. Oh yeah, it fits me. You cannot see that part, but it does fit me. Because I thought it was, but it looks kind of small, but yeah, it does fit. Yeah, that was all. I will do a video just doing some swatches maybe of the acrylic and also maybe trying them on so you guys can see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you, bye.